Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Okay, so today I'm quite ecstatic that I don't have to add a disclaimer that this painting didn't go the way I imagined it to be. It's a rare occasion, but this piece turned out exactly how I wanted it to be. I am a happy girl, for today at least. So, I think most of you already know my obsession with wildflowers and red roses. But for this painting, I've decided to switch it up a little with orangey yellow ones. I've also just learned this today that orange roses symbolises strength and desire, whereas yellow ones represent spiritual enlightenment and wisdom. So perhaps this rose bush is a little combination of both. I'm still on my train of moody paintings. I had to get it out of my system, and I should be slowly venturing into brighter pieces soon. I find wildflowers very captivating in their untamed, rebellious nature to blossom around its raw, harsh surroundings, wherever that might be, compared to a manicured lawn. A gift from our Creator, they show us that life doesn't always have to go according to plan to still be beautiful. I tend to romanticize a lot of things, including wildflowers and their resilience, to thrive despite uncared for, but oftentimes I have to remind myself not to fall trapped into romanticizing the wrong things. For example, resilient is a word frequently used by human rights activists and the development sector to describe people affected by war and violence. Mothers of the disappeared are praised for their resilience when they continue their struggle for justice despite intimidation and harassment. Women headed households laboring to eke out a living are spoken admiringly for their resilience. There are people around the world called resilient for refusing to abandon their demands for the return of their lands which are occupied by the military. The ability of people who have endured the loss of life and property, immense suffering and trauma to make it through another day is labelled resilient, praised and admired. Resilience, though viewed as positive, romanticizes struggles for survival and through that romanticizes the coping mechanisms people have constructed. The danger in this is that romanticizing resilience may make us oblivious to the fact that these survival coping mechanisms could be exploitive and increase the vulnerability of people in unforeseen ways. Okay, I might have gone to a little bit of the deep end there, but for now I simply enjoy the wildflower's beauty. This piece isn't a difficult one, but a tedious one, especially the task of etching the bushes with the palette knife, but I enjoyed the process of it as it slowly came together, kind of like a puzzle coming to life. I hope you like this painting, hence without further ado, let's begin.